Hey friends, welcome back to Xblogs. Today's recipe is Shakshouka. It is a North African dish which has made its way into a number of other cuisines, especially the Middle East. It's very easy, simple and nutritious. Let's see how it can be made. We will begin by blanching the tomatoes. Make slits and add 3 large-sized ripe tomatoes to the boiling water. Post 1 minute, remove from the fire. Remove the skin and grind this to a fine paste. To a large thick-bottomed open pan, add olive oil 3 tablespoons, 4 garlic pods chopped, 2 onions finely chopped, saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Red bell pepper 1 finely chopped. Saute on low to medium flame for about 5 minutes. Next, add the blanched tomato puree. If you do not wish to blanch, then run the puree through a fine sieve for any skin and seeds. Next, we'll add the spices. Add salt according to taste. Paprika, half a teaspoon. Red chilli powder, half a teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Mix everything well and allow to simmer on low to medium flame for a minimum of 15 minutes. Keep checking in between and add water if necessary. Post 15 minutes, as you can see, the mixture has got a lovely red color. Add half a teaspoon of sugar to balance the acidity of the tomatoes and sprinkle some oregano. Once the gravy reaches to this consistency, make small spaces in the gravy and add eggs carefully. Do not mix. Sprinkle some pepper powder on the eggs. Close the lid and leave it on low flame until the eggs are done to your preference. The traditional recipe prefers runny eggs, but I prefer my eggs to be well done. So I'm closing the lid and simmering on low flame for minimum of 5 minutes. Once done, sprinkle some chopped greens for garnish. Serve with traditional bread. This is a very easy and healthy protein recipe, so do try this recipe and let us know how it turned out. Also subscribe to our channel and show us some love. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye bye.